Whew. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Hope everything's going well for you. So today we are going to be moving this big guy right here. So this is our Greenstalk leaf tower, and we have another Greenstalk tower that we're going to be putting over in this section, but we need to move this guy and get it balanced in the mulch first. Mainly because we're not entirely sure how we're going to fit him over here, but we know that we want them over here because with the tree line and everything in the summer, this basically turns into a nice diffused sunlight area. It's cooler, and we can usually grow some lettuces back here. Whereas out in the main garden areas, it's too hot, too much direct sunlight, and all of the lettuces, the spinach, the kale, they tend to bolt out there. So our goal is basically to make this whole section back here a salad section, so to speak. That being said, I don't know how far we'll get today. It's a lot warmer, and it's a little bit heavier in the humidity because we're supposed to have a storm coming through tonight. But we're going to get as far as we can get. You know, those of you who have long COVID know exactly what I'm talking about, and I don't have to explain anything to you, and I'm not going to explain anything else to you. Let's just say we go at our own speed now. So, let me go on ahead and get off of here, because we're going to hyperlapse this portion, mainly because it's not very interesting. So, let's get this party started. guys, as you can see, we were able to get both of them up. So that was a lot more progress than I thought we were going to have, but let's go on ahead and take a closer look. Okay, so as you can see, this one is exactly the same as this one. This is the leaf Greenstalk here. And we have used, this comes from our local garden center here. It's the Garden Magic brand here. Okay, and it's a potting soil. So when you are filling up your green stalks, do not use regular soil. You want to use potting soil because it's basically like container gardening. So just think of this as really, really tall container gardening and do what you normally do with your potting soil and you'll be just fine. Okay, so just so you know, each of the green stalks comes with instructions on how to plant out your container, both the original and the leaf. And it's got all of these nice, wonderful little pictures and diagrams and things in here. It makes it really, really easy, really, really foolproof. I mean, if I, who am fairly dippy myself sometimes, am able to figure this out, it's got to be at least 99% idiot proof. So this is also a local American company. So go online, check them out. I will try to remember to do a direct link down below in the bio so that you can just hit it and go on ahead and check it out for yourselves. But I think that's going to do it for today, guys. I'm ready to go in, get cleaned up, and chill on the couch with my mama. So guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.